Hello class 8, good morning. In chapter 5, unary, binary and ternary operator, till now we have learned unary increment operator plus plus, which is used to increase the value of a variable by 1. Then we have discussed unary decrement operator minus minus, which is used to decrease the value of a variable by 1. Then in our last class, what we have discussed unary prefix operator. The prefix unary operator, which works on the principle change the value then use in the expression. And in that, plus plus or minus minus sign comes before the operand. Plus plus or minus minus sign comes before the operand and it increases the value first or decreases the value first and used in the expression. In today's class, we are going to learn postfix unary operator. In postfix unary operator, this plus plus or minus minus sign comes after the operand. Look here, it comes after the operand. And it works on the principle first use the value, then change. Just opposite of prefix. So what is the definition? When the increment or decrement operator follows means comes after its operand, then Java uses the value of the operand in the expression first. See, in the expression first and then performs the operation of increment or decrement. And it means use and then change. So once again, in postfix unary operator, what happens? The plus plus or minus minus sign comes after the operand and first it uses the old value for doing the calculation in the expression and after that it increases or decreases the value. Okay, so what is it? Once again, see the definition. When the increment or decrement operator follows its operand, then Java uses the value of the operand in the expression first and then performs the operation of increment or decrement, and it means use and then change. Now let us discuss some example. See the first example. If p equal to 5, then c equal to p plus plus into 4. So it is postfix. So first use and then change. So it uses the initial value of p. The initial value of p is 5. So it uses 5 only and into 4. The 5 into 4 comes 20. So 20 is the answer. But after that, if again p is used in the same expression, then p value will be 6, not the 5, because it is increased after using it once. Second example, just see. If p equal to 5, c equal to p plus plus into 4 plus p. Again p is used here. Now let us see. The p plus plus initial value 5 only. P plus plus 5 only. 5 into 4. After that, p value becomes 5 plus 1, 6. After using the initial value here, p value becomes 5 plus 1, 6. So into 4 plus p. So this p value will be used, the increased value. That is the 6. Okay, once again see. P plus plus use the initial value p. After that, increase the value of p by 1. So p value becomes 6 and this 6 should be used in the expression when the p is used again. So 5 into 4 plus 6. 5 into 4, 20 plus 6, 26. Alright. Now question number 3. Example 3. If a equal to 1 and b equal to 5, then a equal to a plus in the bracket b plus plus. So a value is 1 plus use then change. Use the old value of b. So what is the initial value of b? 5. So 5 is used and after that b value will be 6. But it is not in used here. So 1 plus 5, 6. Okay. Fourth one. If p equal to 5, then m equal to p minus minus into 4. Decrement operator. Postfix unary decrement operator. So p minus minus. So initial value of p is 5. So 5 is used. 5 into 4, 20. 20 is the answer. Okay. After that, p value will be decreased by 1, that is 4. It will be more clear by the next example. See the next example, if p equal to 5, p value is 5, then m equal to p minus minus. So what is the value of p? 5. 5 into 4. And after that, the p value will become 5 minus 1, that is the 4. 5 minus 1, that is the what? 4. So 4 plus p, so 4 will be used, that is a changed value. Okay? So 5 into 4, 24. 5 into 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 is the answer. Last example, if a equal to 1 and b equal to 5, the a equal to a into b minus minus. The a value is 1, so 1 into b minus minus. Use the initial value. Initial value is 5. B value is 5. So 1 into 5, 5. So what we have learned today? Today we have learned postfix unary operator. In postfix unary operator, plus or minus sign comes after the operand. How it works? It works on the principle use and then change. First it uses the old value, that is the initial value of the variable, and then increases or decreases in the expression. So practice all these examples. We have finished the prefix and postfix, both the unary operator. Thank you.